What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful smart #1 in Lumen yellow. Guys, just check out how gorgeous this color looks, especially with the light that's in the showroom that's helping this car shine in terms of the shape of this car. Very curvy and nice to look at. Once this car touches the sunlight, it's going to be absolutely obvious for you guys to be, noticing it. And this unit right here is a pre-registered unit that is for sale. For those of you who are looking for this unit, you can drop by all the way here at Smart Eon at Glenmary. And yeah, let's take a look at the lights. First thing, you have your amazing LED lights that we have right here. It's called Cyber Spark LED Plus, as you can see from the light if you're standing here right now. Let's move right down. You have your amazing bumper that we have right here with some opening for the air to flow through on this side, as you can see. And we move on to this side. You got your tow hook locator right here. You got this satin finish of a, front grille, I would call it, for air to flow through for cooling purposes for your battery. You have your sensor located right down here. You have your number plate that goes a little bit high up here, together with your 360 camera. Your front camera is located right there, as you can see, nicely integrated so people can't really see it. Now we move a little bit up high, you get your LED light bar that goes straight from left to right. We will turn them on later to show it to you guys, but my favorite among all will be the smart wording in this, gunmetal kind of finish. Looks very cool, man. Love it, especially with the yellow. Amazing. Now for the front hood, you have these amazing curves. With the help of the light, can you see how the shape goes? Can you see that? Amazing, right? Very clean, very nice. Now let's move down to the side right here. You got this matte finish of a wheel arch, okay, similar towards the front. As you can see, it just goes on, connects all the way to the other side. Very cool. Now for the wheels itself, you have your smart logo right here. Love how the wheel has this grey and then this silver and a little bit of black right here. They're using Dunlop tires for this car, and on top of that you have your tire size right here, which is about 235/45 R19. So amazing wheel. Indeed, very clean like design. Move a little bit up to the side, you'll get your side mirrors in a full blacked out finish, as you can see. Your turn indicators should be on this side right here. 360 camera right underneath here. You got your chrome lining on this side that goes straight all the way right till the back and goes connected to the other side as well. So very cool indeed for a design like that. You do have, once again, your mirrors with the blind spot assist right here. At the side of the car, you have this matte black finish that goes across all the way till the back. Love the design. You have this grayed out finish right here, similar towards the front also as well. And you get this satin sort of like chrome finish that goes and cuts all the way to the back up there. Very cool design, man. So for the doors, let's hop right in. Press this, open up the doors. Frameless doors is what you guys are getting. And let's take a look at the door once again. You have your amazing premium finish on the inside right here. Love the stitching that's happening right here. Handles to pull to open up the door. Handle to hold to pull to close the door. Love the white finish on this side. You get your window adjustments up and down. And the grayed out finish on the inside right here, together with the blacked out finish on this side right here. So this side right here is hard plastic. You got some compartment storage happening down here as well. Very simple, very clean interior. So this is called dark matter. So that's the name of the interior color for this car. Let's take a look at the side right here. You got your smart, plates right here at the side. Very cool, very nice. Black carpets. Let's jump right in and take a look. Love the white. Of course, the brighter the color, the bigger the car looks. Love the dashboard with all this white stitching that's happening across right here. You got your Beats speaker system right here. Love the fabric lining on the top right here that goes across the whole thing. Very nice indeed. Glasses that goes right there, very cool. You got your shade adjustments up and down for you to block the shade out. Very nice indeed. Love the lights that they have right here, touch sensitive, very cool. Frameless mirrors, very nice indeed. Love the screen that's going straight like this, facing directly straight, so people can actually see what they're doing with it. I'm not sure if it's on, but we can try to turn it on. Nevertheless, let's open this up. Take a look. Wireless charging for your phone. 2 Type-C charging right here. 12-volt socket for you to charge your other stuff if you need to. Let's push this back down. 2 cup holders on this side. You got your slot right here to keep your phone perhaps if you need to. Very nice indeed. Underneath here, you got your other cooling things for you guys need to do down here. Got some fan for cooling purposes. The other storage place. Love the white that's happening all over the seats. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger seat belts are in black. Love the white that is happening on the seats as well, so that's very cool. So let's get right down. Comfortable indeed. Love the white stitching that's happening across all over the place. Love the perforated seats, the white lining here and there. Amazing interior, man. Love it. Oh yes, compartment storage right down there. Absolutely huge. Very nice indeed. So let's take a look at the back. Let's push this, pull that, and this is what we're looking at for the rear doors. You got your seat right here, door right here with your handles, chrome finish, your Beats speaker, handle to hold to pull to close the door, and yes, the ambient lighting located right on the inside part right here. Very cool. Window adjustments up and down, compartment storage down here, Beats speaker right there. Can you see the B? Very cool. Hard plastic right here, very nice. Love this. Lumen yellow. Smart wording right here for the rear passenger doors as well, very nice. Take a look at the interior part of this car. Space is superb. Now we're sitting right here comfortably at the rear passenger seats. Screen is already turned on, and this is a beautiful look, man. Dude, I love how this car looks, man. Glass roof is fantastic. Very, very roomy, very airy as well. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the rear. Seatbelts are in black. Cup holders located down here. Love the silver lining finish that goes across the side. Of course, you can access the back of the boot if you wish to. Only if you wish to. Cool. Let's go back right here. Push this back and take a look down here. Your air vents are located on this side. Even though it looks single, it's actually two ways the air can flow. Down here, you got your USB-C and your Type-C connectivity. Compartment storage down here to keep some stuff. Very cool indeed. So I'm going to be jumping right into the center, and amazing space, amazing indeed. Storage is good, headroom is good, very nice. You got your Beats speaker located right there as well, so very nice indeed. Fabric lining at the top, you got this hard plastic right here, very cool, very cool. Door right there, let's open that up and let's get right down. Compartment storage down here, very cool. So let's take a look at the rear wheels. You have your tire size, okay, Dunlop tires once again, 235/45 R19. Amazing wheel design that we have right here. Love the grey, silver, as well as your smart logo right there, together with some black, gloss black finishes happening all over the place, man, dude. Beautiful. Now for the front, the disc is also a solid disc right here, very cool. Very nice indeed, man. So let's take a look at the rear. As I mentioned, the chrome that goes across from the front side all the way on whole circular line, very nice indeed. On the top of the car, you have this bright chrome finish for a railing, which is also very nice and very sleek at the same time. You have your brake lights located right here. Your wiper is right there, the smart wording right here. Now let's just see if I can open up the rear boot. Okay, cool. So this is the button right here, you gotta press it. So, sorry, I thought you gotta press the A in. So this is with the hood open up, the rear boot. Net right here to keep some stuff, net right here to keep some stuff. You can fold down the rear seats if you wish to, we will do that in a while more. Underneath right here, you got your charging cable, warning triangle. Yeah, very clean setup, man, dude. Love how the space of this car actually is. Very nice. Smart logo right there. Let's see if I can fold down the seats. Okay, cool. So the seats are already folded down, and this is how much space you guys can actually get for a car like this, man, dude. Amazing. Now let's fold down the other seats right there to show you guys how does it actually look like. And chop, chop, chop. Cool. Now let's fold it down. Nice. So this is how much space you guys are actually getting with a car like this. So absolutely huge, huge, huge space. Love the glass roof that's right on top there. Very nice. Take a look at the back once again. Amazing space, man, dude. Check it out. Beautiful. So you have your number plate that goes right there, 360 camera right up here. Okay, you got your sensors located all over the place. Love the grey finishing for the back, similar towards the side and also the front. Silver lining right here also as well. Very cool, man. And of course, you have your matte finish of a rear bumper together with some reflectors down here. And also your lights, in fact, for your rear fog lamps. Very cool, man. Love the design. Now let's press this button, put it back down. Check it out. The lights are already on, but not sure the camera can capture it. We will try doing that later again. Let's open up the driver's side of the door and take a look. So you have your amazing black finish right here, got some grey stitching, white stitching right here. You got your handle to open up the doors on this side, window adjustments up and down. You got your green lighting on here, unlock and lock, handle to hold, to pull, to close the door. You got some compartment storage happening down here, hard plastic right here. You got this white finish right here, beautiful touch. Now you got your smart wording right there at the side. Love the pedals, brake and accelerator. Smart wording at the carpet also at the same time. Amazing seat interior for a car like this. Damn, beautiful. Very, very clean look. Love how this car looks. So, let me see. Yeah, you have your steering adjustment right down here. Okay, cool. You can press it in to lock it if you wish to. Yeah, okay, done. So, this is an amazing steering wheel with a flat bottom design. Love the smart wording right here that's also lighted up, I believe, with the night sort of like setup. You can see your ambient lighting coming out from everywhere, including the air vents at the same time. Damn, nice design. Love the white finish that's happening everywhere right here. Makes it feel very big compared to having it in full black. Okay, love the screen setup right here. You have other settings that you can go around and do, which we will play around in the future. But for now, take a look at the display. Simple, clean setup. You got your wiper adjustments on this side together with your lighting. You also have your drive, reverse, and also your P right there. These ones should be your high beams and also your signal, but your rear lights should be down here. So this is with the DRLs actually turned on. So we will get up to the front and show you guys in a while more. Nevertheless, this is an amazing setup. You got your cruise control settings right here together with your auto parking, I believe. This one right here should be a volume up, volume down, rejecting the call, answering the call and whatnot on this side. Very cool setup. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front driver's seat. Legroom is fantastic. Everything in this car is good. Love the appearance of the color of this car as well. So very nice indeed, man. So let's yeah, check it out. Front lights that we have right here. Now these are with the lights already turned on, and it looks absolutely gorgeous, man, dude. Check them out, man, dude. DRLs that just go across and split open like that. Very nice indeed. Now it's not really blinking as what you see from the camera right now, because yeah, the camera captures the FPS in a very fast way, so of course you can see all of those lights blinking, but in reality it doesn't blink. So also, yes, you do have your main headlights that are located down there. So with it turned on, can you see how gorgeous it looks with the lights actually turned on? So very nice setup indeed, man. Very nice. Love it. Beautiful. You gotta be here to see it in person, but nevertheless it is a gorgeous car, dude. Check this out. Look at the brake lights. Got some smart wording right here. Love how the light just connects from the left all the way to the right. Dude, love it. Now let's turn on the hazard lights to show you guys where's the signal light on this, and let's take a look. You get them at the side right here. Very nice dot. Sometimes you get it in the whole thing, but in this case it's a small one right there. You get your turn indicators on this side. Can you see that? That whole piece, just the top section lights up. Very cool. For the front, very nice indeed. Now let's take a look at the rear on what you guys are actually looking at. So the back right here, you have these already lighted up, the bottom part and the bottom part. So very cool. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about smart cars, do head down to Smart Car here at Eon, Glenmarie, where you can look at this car and look at many other gorgeous cars that are hiding all over there. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.